Alright. Welcome to the stream. So, last time, our new Twitch friend helped us get some nice reflections here with the hardware ray tracing. But it's kind of fucked up my lights, so we're gonna start with fixing that. Let's go. Okay. So you see that light's on, but then as the camera gets close, it literally turns off. So we're gonna have to play with this. Maybe it's in the post process actually. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sure. Okay. Alright. So I might have to just do a little research up front then. So what we did, I wonder if it's in here. We enabled hardware ray tracing with Lumen. I mean, it's all set to Lumen. It wasn't that, but yeah, this. Okay, you know what? We are going to turn this off. I think that's why our shadows are fucked. These are all good. Oh, yeah. Thanks. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, now the lights won't turn off again. Sweet Jesus, that frame rate. Is it, right? Kinda is. No, okay. Just looks like there was something going on with the, yeah, like why is that like popping off? I think that's just like a weird lumen thing. Yeah, okay. Jesus. Alright, I probably have to build. Okay, nice. That was an easier fix than I thought. So with that, I'm gonna start with modeling a few different types of lights that I want to put in the house. Because I just have the recessed light here. Oh, you know what? Okay, let me see. I realized before that the collisions for this were set up like just in the middle, and that's why the lighting was off. So now, and basically I think what was happening with that was, Jesus, my frame rate, what the heck? Oh yeah, it's still building. Okay. So this error, setting the bound scale, is because when I would be inside, I would try to look. Good Lord. Okay. There we go. I would turn the camera, and basically, like when the edge of the camera, come on, move, dang it. Okay. When the edge of the camera only had like a little bit of the door left, the door would get cold and it would all just disappear. So I'm thinking now, or what I didn't understand then was that the collision boxes were in here. So those were the only things that were tracing for like visibility or something maybe. So I actually just increased the cull bounds, or this bound scale, to make it stay on screen until the camera was pointed away from it. Now I gotta fix that. So oh yeah, I can do this. Ha ha ha. More screen space, give me more. I think it's you, but I'm not sure if it's also just the blueprint. What's it called? Bound scale. Yeah, bound scale is one. Okay, maybe. No. Okay, maybe that's just the parent level, but in here we've changed it. Right, there it is. Okay, so let's test and see if all my theories are correct. So basically I've updated the collisions that were made in the beginning. Yes, we still have those reflections and all. Nice. Oh, frame rate's fucking garbage. I wonder if I can just enable the ray trace reflections on specific objects. Oh, this looks so pretty though. Be able to see all the reflections like that. Okay, so yeah. So the issue was, oops, let's see, turn it. Is that? Yeah, these lights are so lame. I can only have two here because of reasons. Okay, so nice. Yeah. So basically, like I could do this, and like even though some of the wall, like I'd turn my camera just a little bit, and even though like a good portion of it would be there, the whole thing would just disappear, and then like light would flood in and everything. But right now, it's actually holding up. Quite nice. Oh wait, you know what? This is actually the static mesh. Let me try this. I need to just like run and do it with the this is the skeletal mesh that had the issue. So nice. It's not like blinking in and out. Cool. Let's go. Remember to set your collision volumes for your static or your skeletal meshes. Okay. That's not quite on the track, but we'll let it slide. We'll let it slide. Actually, we can do this. Right, before I do that, make sure. Double check. Who? There we go. Okay. Alright. Nice. So that came out well. I fucked up all my drawers a bit. We can fix that later. They're fine. Don't worry about it. They're fine. Okay. So, oh wait, okay. I just want to double check because I still had the old error log open. Just want to be sure I'm not getting that. And the error message again. Yeah. I set up all the collision with everything too. Like, I cleared up the other assets that were in the way at least. Cha-cha-cha. And don't tell me it's broken. Nice. Okay. So that's good. Now, off to my, which I thought I pinned to the bottom. Yeah, looking good, looking good. So let's go more overhead. Oh no, little cracks. That's such a steep angle. Alright, that's not good. Gotta fix that. If only that threw more light down like it should. All these feel like the attenuation radius. Man. Whoop. Ugh. I'll have to do something about that. Okay, for now though, we're just gonna build the geometry of the lights. So, pop in over here. So we have my, but what I actually want to do here is come in here. So I think I've seen a good amount. Yeah, through all the packs that I have, I'll be able to get a starting point on some of the things. Damn, nothing. I'm looking, I need like a fluorescent light, another ceiling light, and a classic boob light. The sconce for the outside doors, exteriors, and all. I thought there would be one here. It's not going to be under the lamps, but not something like this that would have a shade over it. These I like. But these are for a fan too, and there I wouldn't. No fan in this level. Yeah, we have a fan. Can't remember if we had a fan. This is what I'm looking for the exterior. Yes, okay. So we're gonna rip this. Yeah, that's fine. Ooh, okay, let's go. And this was the other thing I was looking for. Oh, yeah. I'll take this to... Boom. Whatever. Oh shit, it's the glass too, okay. Alright, everybody get in. I hope this one doesn't have a freaking... Oh, yeah, there it is. The bulb is a separate thing. Why bring in the bulb as a separate mesh? I guess then if you're updating materials on it, whatever materials are here are never getting changed. That makes sense. I mean, I guess. Either way, you're hitting one object. Sure, more polygons needed, or like will be updated, and like some like won't change. I don't know. I feel like, yeah, if you combine them, that's just one, that's a less draw call. So just less draw calls are better. I think that's fair to lean into. We're gonna go with that until someone tells us we're wrong. Okay. So I got this, got that, okay. I'm pretty sure I have a boob light somewhere. Did I delete? Oof. No way. It's not gonna get the lamps. Ooh, actually, we like this. Okay. Yeah, we just want a short one. Let's go. We put this in the kitchen. I mean, not in the kitchen, in the dining room. Joss. Give me... Ooh, ceiling lamp, something? Dang it, no. This is very close, but not what we're looking for. Close on this. I think that's it, unless there's like some weird kitchen light. No. Ooh, I like the pipes there, that's fine. Dang. Alright. Could have sworn. Okay. We'll just have to make our own then, that's fine. So, coming back over here. Bam. Okay. Alright, drag all those lights in. Whoa. Right. Oh, fluorescent wall light. No, I know what I want for my for my bathrooms. And it wouldn't want to be that. Okay, but that's good though. I was right. Keep all on mesh. This will have to be this and this we can combine. And that's all good. Yeah, I'll leave the glass separate because yeah, who knows what we're gonna do with that. Okay. So the workflow is set up the materials based on how it's turned off, and then we make a second UV set for the emissive. And we'll just bake that out, or maybe we'll go into Photoshop and we can make like a super low low resolution image. That's just like a simple mask. Or I've seen too, I could just sample the UV coordinates and round them, then maybe offset or something. And that would give me a mask without having to make a texture. Maybe I'll do that instead. Okay. Oops. Really? Get in there. Okay. Alright. So we got all this. Let's see, merge those UVs. Okay. These ones, let's make the same as this. And then the chains. Okay. You are gonna come be different. You are gonna be this will be like a more matte plastic. So matte plastic, glossy plastic. This maybe like a rough metal. Which one? No, I'll make this rough and then this a bit more shiny. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay. So, I guess what we kind of need to do first is I'm gonna take you. Oops. I'll lay this out. Bring it down. And then back in Unreal, come over here, and this is basically our like material palette. So I said I want this to be like a shiny sort of metal, so I'm thinking something like this. So that is right here, right here. So 4 up and 2 over, right? Yeah. Okay. And then for this, it's kind of hard to see with the plastics, so I usually have to do this. So I can see these are kind of like my go-to for these. I sort of forgot what some of these are for there, but these will work for now. So this want to be more rough, so we'll go for that. That's right there. Yeah, 3 up, 3 over. Okay. And then this actually needs to go like that. I like just having the lengthwise, the longest edge of things to be along X. It just helps for orienting materials and stuff too. Okay, so yeah, then not layout, sorry. So my squares right now are set up as in 3 meter space. Even the material is typically used for small kind of surfaces like this. So I might be changing that in the future. We'll see. But I end up having to leave smaller assets like this at a larger world scale because of that. Okay, so this is my fun little way to get more spacing. Jesus, okay. Crap, I don't have a reference object anymore. Okay, hold on. Hold up. Get that. Delete. And this. These are gonna be so small. So, yeah, okay. Bam. I'm pretty sure for rendering purposes, or at least for the virtual streaming, since everything comes in blocks, I think it helps to have all your UVs kind of like as like tightly arranged as you can. Okay, so this is gonna be the chains. We want kind of like a more beat up metal, so we're gonna use that one. Just 4 up and 4 over. Bam. And that's that. Luckily this is all supposed to be white, so the plastic that I already have is good. I left it all as white because I have, in the shader I can add a multiplier to add whatever color I want. And it's just easy to blend with white too. Okay, so got that. Now this is basically done. Sure. Okay. And then now, actually, rename. Okay. Another UV set. Come over here, take this. Copy down here. Yeah. Ooh, okay, actually, no. The caps should not be. Okay. Gosh darn it. So I want to change that in the original too. Because I think these ones would be still like a shinier plastic like that. Or maybe actually, let's do something in between. Why not? But then, yeah, like I just said, keeping these together is good, probably. Who knows? Okay. That's good. This is, Schmidt. I'm just gonna leave this up here and we'll use the UVs to say like UV sample to make that emissive mask. I have a workflow in mind for like if I want to bake that out, but I don't think I should need to. It's a full tube, it's going to be illuminated. It's not like a bulb where it's going to have like a specific point of emission. Is this okay? Let's see. Let's test it. Let's test the workflows before I dive into building all the other stuff. Okay. Save as. Oops, no. Back. I'm terrible at spelling, don't laugh at me. Okay. Oh wait, he's got it up there. Okay, it is spelled like that. Whoa, we're supposed to be UO? Whoa. Maybe he's bad at spelling. Okay, I trust him. Alright. We got that. Yo. How's it going? I'm doing good, man. I'm working on a ghost game similar to Phasmophobia. So, got my little house over here I'm working on building. I'm going to the garage here in a sec. Ooh, let me test this actually. One sec. Oh, okay, that's cool. That doesn't work. That's fine. Yeah, so let's see. I can show real quick. Yeah, so we're going to work with playing with reflections and stuff like that for the player. Open. Okay, there we go. I gotta fix that door. Doing spooky stuff like this. See that table? I'm gonna look away. The chairs were like on the floor, right? Ooh, now they're on the table. Spooky. Yeah. You can have. So there's gonna be like a ghost haunting the house, and you're gonna have to survive it while investigating what's going on. It's gonna try to attack you and stuff like that. Try to get you out of there. But for now, I'm still just trying to establish the house as I think it needs to be. So yeah, that's what's up. How you doing, Mr. Peter? Or did we lose you? Did I not notice that in time? Rest in peace if I missed him. Oh yeah, I didn't update the materials. Shite. Right, this is going to come in with multiple material slots. Ooh, nice. Let's go. Okay, so this is just with our default setup, which is pretty slick. I have to do no texture work, nothing. We even get that subtle variation there. And then now, I just need an easy way to make that emissive mask. So let's see. Okay. Whoa there. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna have to add it to my material. The master material. Add it to the master. Okay. So I want to use emissive color. It's basically just like use emissive in general. False. We set that to 0 because that's Unreal will optimize that pretty well. If we say, do we want to use an emissive mask? False. Okay, we just slap a color on everything. If we do want to use an emissive mask, we come over here and we either have this mask or we say this use, let's see, use UV or texture mask. Bam. Okay, so if we want to say use true or false, so false is use texture mask. It's gonna come in here, output going into the alpha. So that's what we had, and then over here, texture coordinate. Take this, but now we're gonna say sample that second UV map, and then we're gonna do mask. I kind of want to parameterize both of these, even though we only need one. So this is going to be just R, this is going to be just G. This is going to cover the whole node or the output pin, right? The input, yeah, okay, good. Okay, so this will be mask offset. And then we'll do the same thing here. I think the green channel acts funky sometimes. This might need to be like a subtract or whatever. It's freaking annoying. I don't understand it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So, and then we just want to use one more of these. Oh, running out of room. If we need to use both of them at the same time later, we'll figure that out. For now, we're just going to do one or the other. I guess I should do it like this. Bing, bam, boom. Okay. So now we're going to have to make a material instance of this. All right, let's just do it. Okay. Now this, we click this, our test object, so we can see all of our UDIMs here. What we're going to look for is this one getting lit up. Well, this should, I guess, well, every tile will have we're looking for like a bar of light on the bottom. It's gonna project that bar of light in, in the second UV channel, and that's gonna that's just here. It's just gonna tile everywhere, which is fine. That's what we want. Oh wait, no, it isn't, because then that's gonna hit everything else. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to implement a UDIM mask. Freaking A. Okay. So I'm gonna have to say pick what UDIM you want this mask to show up in. Man. needs some kind of like masking function. I feel like I do this all over the place. Jeepers. Okay. So, duplicate, no, we don't want that. Okay. This should get me. See, this is what I mean about having to do this multiply business. Okay. And then basically we just add this exact same computation on top of each other, because we're essentially getting a mask for the udim tile that we want, and that's just represented by like a value of 1 for that square. Everything else is 0, so we can just keep adding squares where we need to. Okay. Back over here. This is going to be... Okay. So... use these. Okay. 2, and then this will be 2. And then mask. Okay. Something like this. So we say use the UV. We say emissive tile. We set all that fun stuff. Alright, let's try it. Let's give it a go. Use emissive color. Yes. Use emissive mask. Well, first, let's see. Let's get the emissive color coming out. Where am I setting that? I really gotta organize my materials when I make them. Yeah, I am. Okay. Got that. Use the mask. Yes. Okay. I don't quite know how to explain that response. I mean, I know there's like a default texture piped in there, but as far as how that's getting projected, oh, I guess these tiles have a... Oh, okay, yeah. So there's a second UDIM here for like the light map or whatever. Or, oh no, I didn't even make it. Yeah, the light map got generated in that second UDIM channel. And that's what this is representing. Okay. We know what's up, we know. UV or texture mask. UV, please. Yes, let's go. Check it. Damn. Okay, make this like 10. Super bright. But yeah, so we got it. This is all just limited to one tile. And then now, let's see. to use, yeah, our U mask. And then we want V. Set that U mask off. Oh wait, okay, so I needed to round after this. No, it's not gonna do it. Dang. Okay. Well. Oh. Whoa. Hello, Jessica. How's it going? Damn. Ugh. Just trying to tweak some material stuff. That wasn't too much to ask for, right? Those are simple. I'm doing good. How about yourself? I will be better if this freaking thing didn't crash. But we alright. We alright. Try the restore. No, I still have skip. Now, what brings you to the Twitch world today? Oof, that's not. Okay. How much of that logic did I lose? Okay, not much, not much. Okay, just want to see the round, right? Give me the round. Show me the round. That's what it's supposed to be doing. Multiply this by this. If we preview this, I mean, we already know it works, right? Oh, for real? Why you like that? Let me get this out of here. It's cruising. Just getting started with all these shenanigans. How about yourself? No, it's all good. Come on now. See that? Okay, so the V. That's what I'm talking about. What? V mask offset. Right? Like literally. What the hell? This is what's supposed to be happening. Why is this not working? Oh yeah, so it has to be within 0.5, sure. Yeah. And that's fine, right? That's about what we want. Let's just leave that there. Okay. It's just showing the exact same thing. Okay. And this is fine. So we come back here. It just won't preview. Maybe it's because we changed the mesh. Wow. Okay. Fine. Be that way. Be that way. Ugh. Because it doesn't want to display. I mean, the logic is all there. It's working. It just won't show up how I want it to. Alright, we're just gonna roll with it's fine. It's fine, okay. So, what's this? This is the wall. Okay. What we're gonna do is bring out our Go bring this guy out. Flores. Yeah. Okay. And then go change our scene Latin. Go to dark now, you hear? Yeah. Oh, hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Oh, okay. Almost. What is that? Let's just double check right here. Yeah, okay, so it's like, how is it coming up only halfway? What? That's so weird. Don't be like that now. Okay. Oh, wait, no, yeah, we do want V. Give me V. -0.2, right? Something like that. Can't really see. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Now with this, I mean, yeah, we gotta change the color, of course. Just drop it, maybe. Oh wait, let's see. Check us out. Check us out. Check us out. So if we come over here. Was it that? No. I had like a physically based site for. Oh, that was the bookmark I must have deleted. Dang it. Based. Yes, this. Okay, add this back. Yeah, it's there. What the heck? Whatever. Okay, so down here around light source of fluorescent tube light. So around 500 or 5,000 Kelvin. Okay, but we don't get any notes on the actual color. That's fine, that's fine. If we do this, just give it a little tint, you know? Okay. That's cool, that's cool. I think... Let's move that. I'll go back to... Blueprints. What was that? Okay, change structure. I'll be an expert spelling fluorescent by the end of this project. Okay, light source. I think we'll over it. That's just the bulb. Get rid of that. So yeah, maybe this is. Come on now, delete. Really? Oh shit. Okay. I think this is up here. We do that. All right. Okay. See what else we're gonna do. Okay. Come on out over here. Oh wait. Always. Oops. Done got that messed up. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna turn that off. I don't know why this stays here though. Maybe it's when I put it in the scene it'll disappear. But that is strange. Okay. What is up with this damn lighting? Jesus. Okay. Crap, my content browser's blocking chat. Oops. It's okay. It's okay. Let me stop it. Yo. Welcome to the party. Okay. Just get it up. Let's just get it up there. This is much smaller than I expected. But that's okay. That's okay. So then now I just need to do a little something like this. Oh, I'm gonna drop this here. Dang. Actually, yeah, being able to have that not cast shadows would be kind of nice. I'm just gonna have to do this. That should be, basically be 0. Okay. Or if maybe I can't set it to ignore that object, huh? Oh well. Okay. Our average attenuation radius is ridiculous. What are these using? 400, okay. So, oops. I have these switches set up so that I can just make these target arrays. Go ahead and just click. Bam, add that. Click. Bam, add that. And back over here. Let's go ahead and turn those on. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna do the same for the garage location. Nice. Now our garage has a bit better lighting. I'll probably change these later and make them like twice as long. These are kind of dinky. I don't imagine I don't really have much need for a smaller light like this. And yeah, I guess I'm not there. Okay. Alright. Let's see actually. I need whoa. Oh my god, wow. What am I doing? You guys can't see anything this whole time. Oh wait. Maybe you can? No? God, hopefully that's been up. That is crazy. What am I doing out here? Rookie move. Rookie fucking move. Okay. Good Lord. If anyone is still here that has been watching this whole time and seeing my dumbass just stream a black screen, please let me know. I'm just curious if I was or not. Pretty sure I was. Oh, Crocky. Man. There's just no global illumination here. Or it's just like way too accurate. Oh, you know what? It's because we don't have that many bounces. It's freaking hardware lighting. Damn it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Gotta find a way to disable it better. Jesus. Yay. Nice. Our garage is all lit up, all pretty like. Go ahead and turn that off. And that's not set up properly. Cool, cool, cool. Bam. I'm trying to read property. Shoot. Mm. Okay. So. Okay, that'll do that. And then. I don't know if we even have an emissive strength. Dang, okay. What am I doing? None in it. It's not gonna be in there. This is what I need it to be. Okay. Let's see. What is that? Ooh. Wait, float for what? Creates a float for vector. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay. Just gonna pump this straight into you. We'll see. This might jack up the color somehow. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Is there spawning? I gotta move that. Oh well, let's find out. Oh yeah, in the master bath. Okay. Yeah, looking good. Oh, okay. Come on now. So, what the heck? What did I do? Function to turn on or off. This only changes the source lighting component. Okay. You know what? I think we need to just remove the frame option. Just do everything with the friggin' source. Okay. There we go. There we go. The bulb was already set up the way we needed it to be. Uh-oh. Right? It's just easy. It just works, you guys. Just works. Why you do this to me? Okay, here we go. Access none, trying to read light frame, of course, because I set it up to do that. Okay, thank you. Goodness. Okay. We'll look into that. So this is just bulb mesh. No. We're setting emission strength. Oh, okay. This bulb emission variable. That is probably not getting... okay, that's there. Well... huh. It is 10. What the heck? Let's make it 1,000. Why not? I hope this isn't some like simple lighting thing that I just don't know about. Okay. So somehow yeah, man, I'm trying to pick up the pieces after changing those lighting settings. No, I'm not that bad. I just took this out of an asset pack and trying to set it up, but I didn't want to break the bulbs out, so I'm trying to kind of fix up my lights to make it all work. But I mean, we got something going there at least. And we just made like another mask function within my master material so that I could just like mask UVs to get those to show up. So it's been a good one. It's good so far. But right now I can't get the emissive element to come through, so that's not super fun. God. What's happening in the construction script? We're setting the light component, we're running all this crap. Turn on, turn off. Yeah. We're setting the intensity depending on if it's on. Check the flippin' light source. That's that. Light frame. Let's take that out. I don't care. Maybe that's why it's like overlapping? No way, right? No way. Yeah. Like I'm getting the rest of the logic to come through, but the tube here in the middle should be lighting up. And like the material is set up fine, like that was working earlier. But as I've been like juggling my variables around, something's just not getting through. So yeah, like the light source is getting this material parameter set, which is what we are using similarly here, which is working to illuminate that. Do not need to make a dynamic material instance in order to change things. That happens under the hood automatically. So basically I just like have the blueprint that I'll drag out, and then since it's a blueprint setting, yeah, light source. See, it says that there's this like dynamic material instance, but if you go to the static mesh, it just has the normal material there. And then I don't have any other overrides to drive the material, so yeah, get that for free. Okay. So I think the trippy part is when this is activating, calling that scalar value. Yeah. Man, this is freaking whack. So this top part is just like when the breaker comes in to turn it off. This activate should, like, we can flip the, even in the editor here, I can hit this and this will call the activate function. So even this should be able to trigger the lights to come through. But it's just not having it. Right, it's like even this is up super high. I mean, I just beat my head against this wall. It's funny, I had this set up earlier as the light frame mesh, and like that worked. It's the bulb mesh. Maybe we... Construction script. Have the use bulb mesh here to delete the light frame. Just add a cube and apply the material. Yeah, I mean that'll work. Well, no, okay, so that won't necessarily work because I'm using two different UV sets. So the first one masks out in UDIM space the tile that I want. So I guess I can make an instance of the material and change those values. So this one with the bad spelling. This. Test. So what I have to do to fix that is this emissive tile. So if I set this to 0, then it'll come through on a cube. So it is set up. What am I looking at this? So basically I draw a mask of just like a line like right here. So the bottom half is white and then the top is black. So based on, how these faces are showing up, we're getting the mask through, like the material is there. So yeah, it's not a mesh problem. Like if I take, where's my light? Meshes, lights, blah, 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 this. just have to use the original. Yeah, see, so this is what it should look like. Like it's working, right? And it's even like the default value. So something in here is driving the material to turn off, but it won't turn it back on, I think. Yeah, so confirmed, working. I can even come over here and say, let's turn this off, and let's turn this off, and gaze at the glory of UV masking. Actually, you know what, maybe, I wonder if for some reason, having this bulb emission variable hidden is going to somehow break things. Fluorescent light intensity bulb emission, right? No? God, because I can't. No, yeah, I'm sure it's not that. It's something to do with my my current setup. Like if I go, let's see, let's duplicate this guy. If I take this, let's see if this will work. I think if I can replace the meshes here, things should be okay. I mean, the materials will be wrong and all, but do that. I'm gonna do that. Just, whoa. And then let's take these off. And then I'm gonna come back to the materials. The fluorescent light. Dump it on there. Why is this? That's the light frame. This is that. Okay. It's not accepting it. So I'm probably driving that material in the view or blah, blah, blah. Script editor, construction script. That's what I'm looking for. That one will just. Whoa. Okay, that sucks. But see, like that, the light here will come on. I'm not saying it is, but I've always had to call the node create dynamic materials before changing parameters. Interesting. Because yeah, I mean, it works for the rest of it. Like, it's the same, it should be the same workflow that I'm using for this light. Like, that's working. The light source has this dynamic material instance. And if I click here, turn that off. I would hope, let's see the source. Yeah, see, the material instance isn't illuminated anymore. Check the blueprint code to make sure that I'm not creating it. Yeah, I know. I have, because I just haven't tried to like build any of those nodes. It's like this is, and the simple activate is my highest level one, but this is just like tell the breaker it's off and then nothing. And then in lights, I'm just running a function to set the visibility, set intensity, set the material parameters, and then destroy something if I don't want it. In the event graph, nothing. And then in here, just setting a variable and running that construction script, and then also just turning it off and setting material values. So not creating anything. And yet. Right. Let me do this. Let's see. Outside is night. The name spelled correctly? Yeah, I've been making sure to copy paste the name everywhere. I wonder. There's no like debug for the materials, right? Right. Can we come here? Right, we won't be able to see material pins fire, will we? Nothing's going to fire. No, dang it. Because like I know everything's getting through. Ball emission strength, blah blah blah. In here, this parameter is our emission strength parameter. Maybe it's because this is starting off as 0. I mean, it's like I'm directly setting the value in there, but let's try this at 10 and just see. Actually, yeah, I think that's... Is it? No, I'm tripping. Wait, maybe though? But maybe though? No. Damn it. Ugh. What happened? Use the bulb meshes, yes. Let's turn this off. Turn the bulb mesh off. What happens after this one? Oh yeah, maybe it's this. Because I didn't want... I just want to do like a lazy thing. Let's see. Mask. Can I do this? And then try... The strength is just the alpha. Yeah. But I don't know if... it should. It should, because if we come... What's it? Let's use this. I have been testing that. Because that's how... Yeah, that's basically like a intensity value for the emissive materials. I want to come over here where everything is just garbage. So we have this. God dang it. Okay. So yeah, we're going to just multiply. Oh wait, this is a constant. Or a vector 3 constant. Let's do 4. I would have thought that you go to where the emissive pin plugs in and multiply its input by that emissive strength. You can, but basically, let's see. So I come here. This needs to be 1. Oh, for sure. Yeah, because I think basically you're going to get your color values from these 4. And if you multiply it, it's like, yeah, you're blowing out all your color values. So if I just do... Oh, no, it's not working. What is this? How do I get this to show? I forgot. There's something about how this comes out. I think it might be because of this. No? Ooh. Am I a liar? Huh. Or maybe it's because I'm multiplying it by the 1. No. It should be this. I mean, it seems right, but it doesn't look like it's right. uh, that's whack. Also, though, sometimes material settings don't quite show up well in the material editor like that. Slap. Okay, so with this, it's gonna have that, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so we don't want to do that. So it's this. But yeah, then this would be like masking it back in. But you're only putting in the alpha channel. Yeah, that was the goal. I don't know, yeah, it's feeling like I might have needed to remultiply it. How do I set up my actual light material? My light on. Oh yeah, so I am just doing a vector 3. Dang, that emission strength is at 200. Even with it at just 10, it should still be obvious. Okay, let's kind of like move this out. So no, I just want to append 1. Append vector. Give me that vector. Append it to this. Oh my god, I am such a clown. No, okay, that is supposed to go up there. Oh, yeah, okay, this is it. I think this is supposed to come here. That's what we were missing. Nope. So like set the color, yada this, multiply by that. Okay, let's move these out. So this section is create UDIM mask. And then you just multiply the emissive as it plugs in by the 10. Yeah, I think you're right. I'm probably just overthinking this too much. Let's just fucking do that. This, please. I can just swear that sometimes. Oh, you know what? Maybe that has to do with the hardware ray tracing setting. Maybe somehow that is fucking it up. Because before, when I was just playing with Lumen, the material setting would affect the lighting like that. I wonder. No, because yeah. And I'm multiplying it by 0. Well, right, I mean, this is just the default value. So in the material setting, I override that with these, whatever I'm putting in here for the emissive. Let's see, that's even coming in as 10. Like, actually, yeah. Let's see, 0.5. No, yeah, see, that doesn't change anything. Okay, yeah. So it's the color times the strength. That is our, like, 1 value for whatever our white part of the material is. Right? And that's all just goes straight up into emissive color. Oh, you little bastard, work. Applying this, we're looking at that. That is lit. Fucking get lit. I mean, like, does work, right? Like, it's fine. We'll just hang this up in the back to taunt us. Job's a good A. Yeah, yeah, this is the living the dream right here. Okay, so I think I need to start with the construction script of everything. Right, so if it's on, the light source component is being set. Right? That's what we're doing here. We're setting the light component there. Okay. So we set the light component before we run, yeah, the parent script. Okay. And then we're hitting our toggle for that, which is triggering this. So if we trigger it on, take the target mesh, which is the light source, set this parameter name to 10. I think I used the construction script. Just put this function. Can you? That would probably be a lot more efficient. Put those into functions and have them fireable in the editor. How do you set up? Yeah, do you have to have like do that custom events? How do you make it fireable in the editor? And then in the details for the function. Wait, oh, this call-in editor. Call-in editor. Let's see, what does that look like? Click on that. Ooh, that's cool. Nice. Okay, good shit, good shit. That's very helpful. Oh, am I gonna fix all that crap right now? Okay, yeah, let's fucking do it. Okay. Ugh. Just copy, paste, and work through it. It's fine, it's fine. I just see all that code and I'm like, oh, what's gonna break when I do this? Custom event, bam, 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 okay. Why not? Okay, so this is gonna be, let's see. So I can make this private, then getting it from simple activate. Yeah, wherever I need to adjust that, I can do it elsewhere. Okay, so we're gonna say get is on. Oh, oops. That turn on event, you can just collapse into a function, I believe. I think so. I have this going. Yeah, I probably should. This already is kind of a function, but it's just like the babyest thing. No, whoops, that's up there. Okay. Oh yeah, because simple activate. I just wanted to keep it generic. Okay, for now I'm just gonna focus on actually making this work. So when we hit that button, we're gonna say flip flop, I guess. Or maybe no, I do want to leave. Because I'm like, honestly, for like an activate function like this, I do want this to live in simple activate. But it's like I need to define what that's going to be. And my other functions. You want to check it. Because you need to know if there's power. So you want to keep it is on Boolean. Well, this is more, yeah, this is like confirming what the current state is and then kind of doing the opposite of that. So maybe we say, what if we do this and then, no, like how do I convert? Just do the branch, right? Branch it. I'll turn that on and off. Well, I mean, I'm doing... It's basically getting... If this gets turned on... Oh, no, okay. Maybe we do... If it's already on, let's say not Boolean. So it's already on, turn it off. Set the intensity here. Shit. Alright, we'll have to add a branch for this then. Or no, we just put this after the branch. Okay. Set intensity. Oh wait, no, okay. So if is on. And then I'm gonna set is on at the end too. Come on. Set is on. Okay. So we set it to the opposite of whatever it is. Okay. So if it's coming in as it's on as true. So let's say we're saying turn it on, whatever, activate it. We're checking if it's on. If it is on, we're telling it to turn off. Okay. And then, so we're turning it off. So if on is true. Alright, yeah. Why don't we just do the not Boolean again? So if is on is true, then this will come out false. Set the parameter value to 0, set the intensity to 0. Bing, bang, boom. Alright. Okay. Single line and a select on the bool. You want to keep this? Yeah, or you could do a single line and select the on bool. A single line and select the on bool. I say what now? Alright, this is okay, it's okay. I'm pretty sure. Pull from a Boolean and type select. Shouldn't it be like the flow thing though, right? You basically just change the program, the parameters on a single node. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Let's try to select bool. No, okay. It's probably not select element, right? Set selection. Wait. Attempt to set. No. Scroll down. Select. It's not set selection. Get selection. Select element. Wait, what is this even under typed? Okay. Utilities, enumerator. It's not gonna be the switch. Right? This one? Ooh. Index true or false. Okay, so then what, how do you like that's what's saying like what put the Boolean in, or like I can just say like drive this Boolean in and just make it false and it'll come out false. You plug in floats into the true and false. Oh, what? Why is it not? So like your bulb emission. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. So based on the true false input there, it'll pull the values based on the inputs. Okay, that's sick. Nice. Okay. Let me see. I see. So we say this, go into something like this, based on if is on. I kind of want to still keep the opposite. Alright, so if is on is true, do I know? That's confusing. Okay, so set the value based on if is on is true. So we're going to basically have to set it first, right? Okay. Just do the set first for the flip. Yeah, nice. Okay, so like we're in sync. Turning this on and off. Shit. We'll just leave that out of there for now. That's just going to change the our rec light visibility. Okay. Set me these parameters. Based on this. Give me this. Oh wait, now we're gonna need all of it. Okay. We're learning. Okay, set it to the opposite. If it's true, we're gonna set the bulb emission. Oops. If it's false, we do that. Nice. Sweet. Okay. So kind of get rid of this. And the same thing here. Set the intensity of our light source component. Boop. Ah, feels so good. It's on to light intensity. Thank you. Bam. Okay. Nice. Oh, I'm gonna have to use that everywhere. I have so many branches. That's dope. Okay. This is still okay. We're gonna need that. Light intensity, we set that. At the end we set it, so we set that at the beginning. Use the bulb mesh just to delete that. Okay. We have to plug in the select to the boolmate. Oh, yep. Good call. Shaka. That eagle eye, I appreciate it. Okay. Got this. So for turning this off and on, do we really need, just do set visibility, right? Yeah, I think this is redundant. This isn't really gonna, because it's so small. Like I wanted to do more with it, but I didn't think it was gonna matter. Invisibility is just whatever this is. Right. Don't forget to add a check for is powered at start. Right, yeah. Good point. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Hold up. Trying to make. Okay, if this is for just lights, this is. Do our simple activate should have this breaker status. Yeah, so we set the breaker status event at our simple activate, or like master class level, basically. Yeah, so the powered switch basically is being determined at this class level. So I can just go here and say, well, it will be a branch. But now, get breaker status. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. Now if our breaker's off, it won't work. Yada yada. Okay. I think this should be cool. Uh-oh. Why are you not working? Turn on, turn on, turn on. Set it to not on. It's all false and everything. What the heck? I wonder if it has something to do with being controlled by the switches. Oh yeah, because in on is on isn't on anymore. Crap. Are you turning off the light when the breaker blows? So the breaker that is happening, like a series of damn, I got so many errors over here. A series of interface calls. So the breaker, this is my breaker object. This is what communicates, or like sends out the signal that the breaker's been flipped. And in every room, I have this kind of like location representative object. So the breaker tells this that it's down, and then from here I have different objects that I'm going to categorize by like what the ghost can interact with. So basically, like the ghost will enter the room, they'll say like I want to hit an electronic, and it'll use this array. So then from that, breaker sends a signal to this, and then this sends the signal to all the electronics in the room that it's tied to. So in the garage, it's going breaker, the garage locator, to the lights. And there's also like when these receive that signal, they all have a random little delay, so they kind of go off at different times. How does it tell the light to turn off? At the, where's my blueprint window? So up here, yeah, in the simple activate, it has this blueprint interface function to just change. All it does is change the breaker status, but then at the light level, or somewhere, where was it? I have some event to turn it off. No, it should. Like, if I go over here to this one, open this. Yeah, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Event status breaker, or status of the breaker comes in, and if it comes in false, I turn everything off, and yeah, turn the emission strength off. So this should be more up in my like master light class, but that's what we got for now. Yeah, so this is me going through trying to, like, this is the first time I made a light, and now I'm trying to make my second light. I'm like, okay, yep, all this functionality needs to get condensed for sure. But yeah, so it already has this interface in there. Yeah, so we'll just copy all this. I was thinking though, shouldn't this be, I feel like I should have this in simple activate though. Because like anything that gets activated is going to need to know. I mean, well, it's just going to need to know it's off, right? Okay, so here, then I can turn lights off and stuff. Like they're not remembering their switch position. Yeah. Well, it gets confusing, right? If I have like, especially before when I had the is on toggle there, it's like that would work when I would click on at the asset level to turn that switch, but then also when I click at the switch that controls it to flick there, its on-off switch, that would activate and deactivate the lights too. Okay, so I need to put in the breaker thing. This basically just going to do turn off and set the emission strength down. And that should be fine because we, oops, nope. We inherit the status of the breaker there. Nope, okay. Oh yeah. Emission strength, light source. Okay. Yeah. And that's that. Yeah. I don't know why they're not doing that. Let's see. What I should do, let's just try this. Print. Test. I mean, I guess I could just watch it fire, but, you know. Oh, okay, that's not going to show up in the editor unless it's running. Fun. In the way it's set, the breaker literally turns off and on the lights. It's not like just providing power. Oh, yeah. If it's basically just say, like a master switch, just say if this goes off, turn everything off, and then those things all just check to make sure they can come on. Oh, man. What? Default scenery is not static. Cannot static. Okay, what? Activate test. Yeah, okay. So I keep, dang it. I mean, yeah, so this is firing every time. I don't know why I had to do the print thing for that. Yeah, it's weird. I guess just to make sure that we're swapping the variable. Just want to clearly distinguish those chains. Ugh, come on. Right, like it's flipping. I was having an issue. It all started with my emissive material not coming up. So as I'm like trying to turn these on and off, it's not setting the emissive strength properly for just like one of my lights. Like this older, or like the original light that I have here, this was working. But see, like that's fine. That's what I need. Yes, I am losing. Target is the light component. Light intensity, yeah. Okay, this needs to be up. Now my just regular lights are, oh, man, it's all just falling apart today. Set intensity of the light source component. We are going to expose the light source component. So that we can flip and see what's going on. Right, so this is getting set. It's the rectangle light. Yeah, well now, okay, so the original problem was, oops, in here. See this like this bar of emissive light here? When I try to like click it in the blueprint to turn it on and off, that's just not happening. But now as I've been trying to change things, I've broken making the rectangular lights actually work. But it's like out here. Well, god damn it. Getting all mixed up. Was it with this light that we were working with? Out here. Well, these ones are working, right? I mean, well, they're, whoa. The material side of it is, at least. Now as I turn things off, I'm not getting them to come back on. Oh, okay. This is why. I'm just turning it off. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's the little things, right? Oh, so fun. So fun. Sweet pickled Jesus. Oh, cool. And now I think the emissive material's not working. That's fun. That's fun. We'll deal with that later. God damn it. Turn on, you bastard. Okay. Sweet fucking Christ. Okay, and now we're back to our original problem of the fucking materials not working. Use the bulb mesh. No, don't use the light intensity. Where's our bulb intensity? Where is bulb emission? Okay, sure. I just need this to happen. Using the same code that I just changed. Yeah. So all the code that I changed here is in my lights class, and then the fluorescent light is the one I'm dealing with right now, and it's inheriting from that. I wonder if we're setting all this stuff in here. Oh, I also don't need this anymore. Just change the values correct. Yes, that's what I'm checking. Like the bulb emission here is just 10, whatever. Light intensity is 10. Come over here. Bulb emission is set up at freaking 1,000. Light intensity's there. Parameter name. Ooh, what is this? Why is this visible and not set correctly? What the fuck is parameter name called? What? Parameter name. Is that when I did the make literal name that actually made something that's not? This is nothing. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, that must be from when I copied from here. Even doing that doesn't show up down here. What the fuck? Oh, I'm so confused. Try pulling out a fresh version. Oh, yeah. Good call. Okay, fluorescent. I'll pick this. We're gonna do that. We're gonna pick you in there. Nope. God, Krispy Kreme, damn it. That's gotta be the code. But why? Why are we seeing that? Oh, yeah, because it's not calling anything in here. It's just running. Yeah, the right material is on it, because I guess, I mean, it could be something else, but no, yeah, it's the, oh, wait, no. I mean, yeah, see, it's annoying. It's hard to test in there, but in the blueprint here, we're just using the light source. Oh, dude, you're so right. It got put this fucking wrong material on there. Why is life so hard? Fuck. Thank goodness. You probably saved me a few hours right there. Stupid freaking gosh darn son of a... Just turn off, turn on, turn off. God, no. Ugh. Why won't my problems just go away? Fuck you. Fuck you. Am I fluorescent light? Ah. You pull out a fresh one? Yeah, that was the fresh one. Oh, light test. God damn it. Fluorescent light. This one. This will work. Okay. The test is gonna move. It moved the mask to that like 0, 1 location for the cube. So now this one has the mask in the correct place, and it should show up because I don't have any materials in that place with the light. It wasn't gonna be there. Boom. Let's go. It was because the stupid material wasn't assigned. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Alright, now sweet Jesus, if this does not work, I am gonna cry. Ugh. Oh god. Oh, that's so nice. Ah, good stuff. Oops. Forgot about that one. And click on that. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Okay. Man, I spent so long dealing with the lighting, and then I add that friggin' hardware shit, and it turns it all upside down. Okay. Thank you for the help. That was so painful. Alright. Finally got it. These lights are set up there. There's no getting those brighter. Unfortunately, I have to keep this attenuation radius small because I have these other rooms with lights and things, and when everything comes up, the game will start complaining. I turn that up there, and I got this other one out here. I kind of want to put another one out here. You know what I'm saying? Okay, good stuff. Alright, I need to grab water real quick. Oh, man. You been doing more work on your game? How's that going? Okay, on to the next light. It's been chilling day. Nice, nice. It's a good day for relaxing. Okay, ooh, I can finally use my fucking my fabric UDIM now. It has been a minute. Where it shows up, poor fiber. Okay. Should those be... Yeah, this should be metallic. Let's just try taking these. Okay, yeah, obviously. Okay. This we will make... I mean, I guess it can all be pretty gold for the most part. It's easy peasy gold. Okay, yeah, we'll make... make these ones like a white, that shiny white plastic. Okay, and the rest of this, I guess we'll take the bulbs out and put them, we can honestly use the same material that we did for the fluorescent light. These guys will just be in like a different position. Okay. Oh, this, oh, what are these little caps? Why are you like that? Why you do that? Yeah. So no part of those needs to be anything other than gold, and that's fine. Okay. So then, I prefer to lay things out. Oh shit. Lengthwise along X. Probably not super critical, but a preference. The most enjoyment I get out of dev is problem solving, so I procrastinate too much on streams. That's funny. Yeah, I feel that. I do like, it's fun trying to get over a problem, but then it's like, yeah, once you're over it, it's like, oh, how long's the next problem going to be? It's all just going to be days of easy work. I want to solve complex mysteries and things. Okay, I think this come down a bit. Come on. Set. You should all shrink just a little bit. Yeah, fuck. Oh, these damn little pieces. Why you gotta do this to me? Oh, this sucks. Oh, I hate it. Oh, kill me now. Oh, okay, nope, we're not doing that. Okay, so this is how we kind of remedy that. Oh, they're already like that? Shit. That sucks. That super sucks. Okay, if we can just get them. No, man. That's so brutal. Alright, we're just gonna rip them out. Because technically it's supposed to be not the best thing for them to be like super close like this and tightly packed. So do this, get them for the most part separated. I don't want to spend a ton of time on this. Oh shit, okay, bring this down. Okay, they're gonna get down to this. Okay. Bam, bam, boom. Okay. So this is gold again. That is first one. Oops. 2, 3. Okay. So there are these. Oh wait, you know what? We do kind of want these to be a bit bigger than normal. And the shiny ones are gonna go there. This will actually scale up, so we can get more detail in the smaller components. These I have. This is like a canvas kind of linen fabric thing, so that's 4, 5, 5th row up and 4th row over. 1, 2, 3. That's that. And then this, we're going to go with the more matte. Okay. That should be pretty good there. And now we will copy these here. Okay. Something like that. Boom. Yo, how's it going, Anna James? Okay, I think this is good. Our 2 UV sets. I should probably name them, but meh. Export selection. Let's see. Yeah, how's it going? Are you a fellow game dever too? What are we doing? Let's get this. Bing, bada, boom. Pow, pow, pow. Lights. Okay. Bring this in. Whoop. Take that. Come over here. Yeah, I'm doing good. Just got through a pretty big headache of an issue, but we made it through and now we're cruising along. Yeah, how's your day going? Materials, we're gonna use the fluorescent light. No, 2 materials, no. Oops. Yeah, go ahead and save all these. Okay. I have to re-import that bad boy. I don't remember having to connect like all the bulbs or anything. Okay. Combine them, separate, export. Bing, bang, boom. Gotta go back to freaking. Well, let's see. Can I do that? No? Okay. Yes. Okay. Good stuff, good stuff. And materials. This one. Okay, you gotta go. Beautiful, yes, beautiful. Oh, Jesus. Okay, and how am I going to do the light for this now? So, color blueprints. Another child. fix that name later. Oh, geez, why does this keep happening? Get over here. Whew. Okay. So this now, our light source mesh. Be crap. This one, sign. Don't use the bulb mesh. Or it's just the frame. Okay. I'm gonna need my stinking light component. Okay. Man. Yeah, Pixel, you have any advice on this? I'm definitely not gonna make 5 fucking point lights. I feel like it's just gotta be there. Right? Maybe. And we'll have to get the linen to show through eventually. Like, I'll put a texture of like 5 circles in here. I want something that's a bit not that, you know, but this needs to cast dynamic shadows. Otherwise, what do I use? Just spotlights? That's gonna be terrible. Maybe I will have to use a point light. Oops, no. Okay, stop. Do this so it kind of looks illuminated. And then we have another rectangular light that like doesn't cast shadows on this. Is there like an ignore actor list for lights? That would be nice. No, okay. Can we do that even? Okay. Let's see. Set actors. Pretty sure light channels don't work with Unreal. I mean, not with Unreal, with Lumen. Or Nanite, sorry, it's Nanite's that's the issue. Because if I could do that, then yeah, I could just put this on like light channel 1. And this also on light channel 1. And then nothing else would be. These only illuminate oops, okay. Let's just try it. Let's try it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's go fucking do it live. Okay. So now this will only light up the sconce. And then we will add a rec light. Okay, I guess we're gonna name it E. And this comes, oh, okay, that's flipped the wrong way. Okay. I feel like it's gonna have to do it. Let's see if that'll work. Maybe. Yeah, because those are popping, that means that the fluorescence coming through. Okay. Whoa. Why are you like that? This has to be stationary because all these are supposed to be stationary. And that doesn't help. Dang it. Okay. And then we need to set the let's go. Okay. Maybe at the end here we can say loop through the extra point lights. Turn those off. Dang it. Okay, we're gonna have to make an array of this light source component. I'll do that. Okay. So we have those. Hmm. So turn it on and off, just setting the visibility, which is all we need to do. Okay. Come in here, we're gonna say alrighty. Now let's see. All these should turn off and off when I toggle this. Yay. Okay. Let's make sure. I guess I set a message. Yeah, there we go. Real bright. Boom. Oh, shnikes. Yeah, that's not great, is it? Okay. Maybe. You know what? That's actually not bad. Right? Because, like, these kind of shade it, so even with that, honestly. Yeah, actually. Okay, yeah. I see. I'm seeing it. It's all right. It's coming together. It's coming together. Okay. Let's see. Take you. Yeah. Check this out. Drop it down. Oops. Then we're gonna kind of like follow this line. Let's try. Oh yeah, let's just do another one. Okay, that's pretty good. This side, that's good. That's good. That side's good. Okay. And now, barn door length. I don't really care about that. The angle, though. That line is what we want. This line, maybe it's pointing out a little bit, but that's okay. Let's try this. Ah, no. And that's like all of my point lights. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure where the glow in the middle is coming from. But totally honest, I'm not mad at it. What if we made this, I don't know, 50? Okay, that's a lot better. Cut this down by like 1,000. Okay, like that. We like that. Cut this down by like 100. You can't see anything. It's not so bad. It's probably gonna be blinding at night. Nice, nice. This is coming along real well. Now we can replace this light with it. Boop. Let's go. I'm looking on frames. Not great, not great. That's okay. Whoa, what is... What's all this then? Some weird flickering? I think we can ignore it, but it's unfortunate. It's not like there's double geometry on anything, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I mean, sure, okay, everything else is still connected, but... Okay, that's for the kitchen, this is for the dining room. Boom, bam, pow. Take this, Binkus, dinkus. Okay, and now... Let's see if our light works. Whoa, whoa. Beautiful. I'll probably do something. I'll make a... I just have to bake an emissive mask over this. Because I don't think I want to deal with translucency. Maybe we will. Maybe we will. For now, though, come over here. Go hit that button. That didn't do anything. Okay. Hit that button again. That didn't do anything. Great. Fucking great. Oh, the chair's popped. Dang, you can't see much because of the... Okay, there it is. I mean, it's working. Okay. That only has that one light. I thought I had a second one. I think it's gonna complain about this. Oh, you know what? I think these don't have their activate call set up. That's why it's not working. More things that I need to move to the masterclass level. Okay. Yeah. Yep, it never ends, right? I'm just like all this. I don't know why I have this different child one. Just make it all here. Just make the masterclass thing now. Yeah, that's what I'm working on. Like I have it here, like half kind of done. I just kind of like kept thinking I wasn't sure like how much of it was going to live in the masterclass. So I'd like make a class, put like the bare minimum of functions I need in there, and then like make a child class and kind of do the rest there. Because I was like, I don't know if the child class features are going to be there or not. This is where like my newbiness of coding and all that mindsets are, yeah, I do not have experience like that. So lots of retroactive, repetitive work being done. So yeah, no, you're right. I'm gonna put it in the master class and just get it done with. Okay, so activate function is gonna be here. Turn on blah 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 blah. I mean, this is. How do you handle the lights on this 5-piece? Ooh, I already figured it out. Yo, it's working so far pretty well. Let me just move this. I guess we'll see. Actually, no. Okay, no. That's gonna break stuff. So what I have for the lights is I did a point light for each spot with this attenuation radius. So far, I actually have not. Build actually. Okay, maybe that'll complain. I can walk those back, but basically, these are on another lighting channel. I thought we weren't allowed to do this with Lumen, but it's working fine. So those lights are on the second lighting channel, so is the chandelier. And then I have a rectangular light underneath here that's just in the first, or like in the basic default light channel to hit the rest of the world. So these point lights don't touch anything other than the chandelier. And then because all that work I just did for the freaking fluorescent light dropping, I just used the exact same material on this and everything's working like a peach. The rec lights are expensive. Really? Are they? Yeah, so they're, I was afraid of that. But they're probably worse than spotlights, huh? I use rec lights everywhere. Pretty sure, yeah. All these lights are rec lights. Boo. But I think I'm just gonna have to for this one. It is an area thing. It looks, I like how that's looking. Like I'm satisfied with the way this has come out. But yeah, there is room to optimize in the ceiling lights. And if I just use point lights, or spotlights, I mean. No point lights. I'm trying not to use those anywhere. Except for, obviously, here. Okay. Actually, let's see. Is it gonna complain to me? Is it though? No. Right, like if only I need some like kind of bleed through on the fabric, of course, but for the most part, I'm happy with it. Oh, wait, that's this one. Yeah, see, this is where I need the activate function to come in, but yeah, that came out real nice. Why would it complain? Because for Lumen, the way it sets up, like it uses each light, or each asset basically gets a single light baked into its own light channels somehow. So like if this table, for example, is getting the light map, then basically one light is being written to like the 0 light channel, and then so like if you have a second light in, it's like, okay, well that's overlapping, or if it's like if this asset is within the attenuation radius of both of them, then the second one would get written to the second channel and so on, so that basically you only have those 4 lights, and then by the end of it, yeah, the 4th one, it'll just like, or at least what it was doing for me, it would put a red X up, which is why I had to like space my lights out a ton and like reduce all their attenuation radiuses, because I do want them to be a lot bigger than this, but then they all start overlapping, and it's like, okay, falling back to dynamic lighting for everything, because they are stationary, so they're contributing to some static lighting as well, but they're all supposed to be, I need to be able to flick them on and off. It is, yeah, I think so, but like I don't want, I'm pretty sure my lights shouldn't be set, oh, they're all set to movable, fucking cool. Let's see, I'm pretty sure if I set these all to static, then, or stationary, it might complain. Oh, I can't set them, that's fucking sweet. These stationary. Yeah, see, so that's when I get that. So yeah, I mean, I figured not having, I mean, trying to make as many lights as I can as stationary lights. Damn. Yeah. It's supposed to be, well, I was like supposed to be a performance assistant, but it's not looking that way. Yeah, see, that is stationary. These are all stationary. Yeah. Let's see if I come over here and change you to stationary. Oh no, yeah, okay, it didn't get changed. Why are you like this? Won't even let me change it. That's lame. Alright, I guess I'm using fully dynamic lighting. Damn. Yeah, alright. That's so weird. I have just this terrible, atrocious frame rate for that. God, I don't want to build, whatever. Got it done, that's looking fine. We'll optimize things later. Got this light, okay, now I want to do, 5 lights, yeah. Do not need to cast shadows, right? No, yeah, you're right. I was thinking they did just so that like I wouldn't get a big highlight off of this. But let's see. What? Oh wait, effects, whoops. Oof. Yeah, see, like I don't like that all of this gets lit up like that. Cause it doesn't look super realistic. Same thing with the middle there. It's like at that point I might as well just drop a whole, just like one point light right in the middle and call it a day. Just set the whole thing to not cast shadows. I mean, maybe I could do that when it's turned on. Yeah, like it would help, but it used to be that big. It's only that big because I think it hits these reflections a little bit bigger. I had it originally at just 20, but then it's like they really stop affecting the middle almost at all. I guess, yeah, they're just not really making that big of a difference. But oh yeah, I guess the other pieces, like when it is 50, they're kind of illuminating each other's bases down here. That's pretty minimal though. Nah, fuck it. I'll leave it down. Why not? Okay. Basically, I only want the light to light the inside of each thing, right? Yeah. Honestly, I mean, I have my emissive. I just like turn this off. Maybe crank my bulb intensity up. What if I did that? No. Yeah. It sucks. I'm trying to like not get caught in the weeds on it too much, but anytime I see my frame rate not above 60, I start sweating. Yeah, it just does not look good. It needs to be on screen to show up at all, so we're just gonna have to leave these in here. Okay. Just gonna walk away from it. Get the rest of the lights going. Okay. Oh, this mother flipper. I usually try to avoid having dual materials for these, but single-sided glass, no thank you. What is even happening? Yo. Excuse me. Alright, oh, okay. It had something to do with freaking turn this off. I do not know what direction my friggin' normals are facing. What is happening? Face normals. Okay. You guys are alright, alright. So they are all fucked up. Okay. Sweet Jeebus. Got those. We can turn off face edges, face nulls. Okay. I need something for more like black coating around this. That's when I use my coat layer for the material, but could be worth it to have like a wrought iron base material. Alright. Can I do something cheap for now? Just as the base. This is sort of like reflective metal with fingerprints and stuff. I don't really want to use it for that. These are all fabrics. I guess we'll just use the rough one for now. God, it's gonna look lame. Alright, I'll build a material to put a coat layer over it. That's fine, we can do that. Okay. This is fourth, okay. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I can stay. Oop, oop. Okay. Dang, I think I will need a separate material. That's okay. Oh shit, okay. Oops. This is still... Both of these need to get the same one material. Right? Yeah, because they came in separately. Yeah, okay. Oops. Sure, whatever. Come on now, what's going on? Okay. Alright, how's that? Let's drop that in there for oh crap, okay. No, we gotta fix that. This doesn't, okay. Okay. I wish I could work the glass material into my UDIM, but them opaque materials or translucent materials are something different. Look at that. Look at that. No. Alright. Oof. The hunger is a creeping in. Oh, and just as we're hitting the 3-hour mark, of course. Okay. What are we doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Lights. Probably light meshes. Okay. Take you, put you in there as the frame, because you're not going to get lit up. And then you are going to get lit up. Go in there. Okay. This. Gonna need. Say this one up. Okay. Oops, shit. Okay, and then it actually needs a point light. Yeah. Do we use the point light? I think it's gonna be the best option. Like, we could maybe try to get away with a spotlight. Maybe we could do 2 spotlights. No, because I don't want this to have like literally 2 light sources in it that are both gonna cast shadows. It's just gotta be this. Okay. For real, you're gonna be like that. It's fine. Oof. And actually think this one through. Forgot about having one a little porch light out here. maybe it could go right there too. Actually, yeah, that's probably a better idea. Slap it on down over here. And then we can make this replace this light. Yeah, what the fuck is this? What is that crap sticking through? Alright, I'll figure that out later. Don't forget they need to be one below the limit you think you're going to be at because of the player flashlight too. Yeah, right. Alright, what sucks too is that's... no wait. Is that yeah, if I have multiplayer or anything, I'm gonna have lights all up in this. I didn't make a light switch for this outside one. Maybe we just tie that into the other light switch. Into that one. Yeah, I think that's fine. Can turn on as many lights as we need. Okay. Got that. Point light. This doesn't need to be 1,000. It's gonna be like 400. Just make it like people outside can figure out the breakers on or off. It'll still ultimately be tied to the breaker. Like this one out here, this should actually be, even though we're letting it be controlled by the front door switch, we're gonna add it in here. So that way this location zone will tell it if the breaker's on or off. And then also if I really wanted to, I can just change in the breaker logic. Right now it just looks for the location zones to send the blueprint interface message to them, but I could just point it to all the lights or whatever too. Oh man, I'm getting tired. Alright, we made our lights, right? Let's see. Let's test. Let's do this. Let's play at night. Let's go here. Okay, ignore that. And those aren't working because I did not put in the activate thing like we were talking about. This. Ugh. Okay. Take all this crap. Ooh. Okay, well, I put that in there. What else? What else? Okay, so we just took the top part of this. That's what we got in there. Now this is the rest. If you'd activated, check this. We want you to pull. Get. How you doing? Alright, time out, time out. Alright, time in. Activate function, it's gonna toggle our light source component. Change all those. Yes. So this is how our light switches come in and tell us what to do. And I guess I could just pump it into here, but breaker status. Yeah, and then we leave the option of when we bring in the activate to turn this on. Shit. So this is what's tricky though. If the player okay, never mind. Okay, the player's just gonna hit the light switch. So we allow this Boolean to come with this blueprint interface, but we also want to be able to change it without that blueprint, right? Because the player is not going to know when they're clicking on and off, like what state the light's already in. We don't want to care about that. We just say like they flick the light switch, so just flip whatever, you know. But then I want the light switch to tell the light exactly to turn on or off. So I think this is okay. Alright, compile. No complaints. That came out. Okay, so this should actually just work right here. Oh shit. Just kidding. Dang, now I gotta do that same thing where I make the event player editable to flip it on and off. Okay. Now yeah, look at that. Turn that light off. That means we go out there, the garage door front light should be off too. Heck yeah, brother. Alright, we'll come back. I'm gonna go turn that there light on. Get this bad boy. I'll come over here. And this bad boy's on. Alright. I think we did it. How are the switches linked to the lights? Okay. I'll show you it's real simple. And then I'm gonna end the stream. Okay. So over here we have whoops. Not that masterclass. This. Nope, not that also. This. Okay. Nope, that just took us back there. Okay, here we go. So this is the player activating. When I send the ray, I tell the switch to activate. When it does, light switch, what? Static mesh. Oh yeah, okay, so this is just like the switch mesh. Hello again, Anna James. Wait, right? Yeah. What's up? Okay, so this just makes this switch rotate. And then over here, so I set this target, blah, 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 what's this? I guess this is just an actor array. So an actor object class that I've set for my blueprint actor, BP, light, something. So you can do this and then set it as the object reference. Change the data type to an array and then make it instance editable and all that. And then what that does is open up this option here, and then you can just hit plus, and that'll allow you to selectively pick your array components within the level, and those just get stored in the array that it searches through here. And yeah, that's the same thing I do with this. So for these like slam objects, basically I'll add like doors and other things to that too. Yeah. Alright, good stuff. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, thanks for all the help, Pixel Shake. Appreciate it. It's nice to have another pair of eyes on my stuff. Yeah. Okay. I think that's it. It's time to go get some grub. Alright, everybody. thank you for watching. Thanks for joining, everybody. Let's see. I'm not sure when I'll be on later. I keep saying I'm going to be on again later tonight or something, and I keep not doing it, so let's see. Guaranteed I'll be on again tomorrow, but depending on how the day flows, I might be on later tonight, I might not. Who knows? But alright. Thanks, everybody. See ya next time.